A buddy from Shanxi hit me up. He found an old Dodge van selling for scrap, 3,000 yuan a ton. I saw the pics. Not bad, seats intact, had potential. So I hit the road to see it myself. Opened the door, bam, dust everywhere. Hadn't been cleaned in years. But under all that grime, there was something worth saving. The price firm 3,000 a ton, not a penny less. But the guy was cool. He threw in free delivery. I was sold. We loaded it up, double-checked everything. Time to take her home. Man, she looked good. I'll admire her more when we get back. 300 kilometers, 5 hours on the road. Just me, the van, and the hum of the highway. Finally made it home. Time to unload and see if she'll fire up. Just got her off the trailer. Man, 350 kilometers later. I'm beat. Pop the hood, no engine cover. Figures. But these seats, I love them. Classic and wide open. Yeah, she's filthy inside, but I've seen worse, and I've got plans. That front end, boxy, bold, has real presence. This one's an early model Dodge van, back when they still had bumper guards. Later versions, they dropped those. I was standing by the side door, just taking it all in. Mileage is high, but the engine? Solid. It's a 5.9-liter V8 multi-point fuel injection. Naturally aspirated, old-school power, built to last. First thing? Rip off that ugly silver grille and headlight trim. Someone painted it. Badly. Needs a full clean. Funny thing, I think the previous owner meant well. The battery clamp? Recently snapped. Guess there used to be one sitting right there. And to get it out? They went full caveman. Just tore it. No worries. I'll throw in a new one. Halfway. Back to work. Before cranking her up, I checked the oil. Looked fine. No surprises there. Pulled the air filter, then removed the upper oil lines. Didn't want any gunk sneaking into the engine. Took off all the plugs, added a little oil into each cylinder, just to lube things up. Spark plugs, toast, swapped in fresh ones, then grabbed the scope, peeked inside the engine. Gotta know what I'm working with. Damn, the inside's a mess. Carbon buildup everywhere. I mean everywhere. What kind of fuel were they burning? Cylinder walls are badly scratched up too. All we can do now is try. See if she'll fire up. You don't usually see buildup this bad. Tells me the last owner didn't take care of her. She hasn't run in a long time. Cranking her cold like this could blow the engine. Added a bit more oil, just enough to keep things lubricated. New spark plugs, in, plug wires, all connected. Dropped in a fresh, fully charged battery, hooked up the terminals tight, no loose connections, ready to fire her up. Then I realized, no key. Seriously? No other way now? Had to suck it up and get a new one made. Just one more twist in the story. Took just a bit. The new key was ready, slipped it in, gave it a try. Wait, blown fuse? Nope. Fuses are fine. That's the thing with old cars. Fix one problem, another pops up. Honestly, if she had started right away, it wouldn't feel right. Let's be honest. If this van worked fine, it wouldn't be $3,000 a ton. Problems everywhere. The seller gave up on it. Wiring was a mess. Totally hacked. Took hours to untangle. But finally, progress. She cranked. Power's back. Let's see what she can do. All right, moment of truth. Let's fire her up. Crank. She starts. Just like that. Let's give it one more go, just to be sure. All right, oil's flowing through the lines. That's a good sign. Look at that. Oil color's clean, looks usable, and check this out. The carbon buildup on the engine? Warm. That's why it struggled to start. It's normal over time. Just needs a good clean. Carbon forms when gas doesn't burn completely. The leftover gunk sticks to pistons and valves. Simple fix, just part of the process. Had heat? It's what turns leftover fuel into carbon. And once that gunk builds up inside the engine, you get problems. Hard starts, rough idling, even higher fuel use. There are ways to clean it. Dry ice blasting, walnut shell cleaning. They all work, but tearing down an old engine like this? Not my first choice. Let's fix what matters and keep her soul intact. That's why I use TPU fuel cleaner. Just pour it into the tank. Easy. There are lots of additives out there, but this one works. Big name, solid results. I use it every fill-up. New cars stay clean. Old ones clear out carbon. Simple, effective, done. After one cycle, you'll feel the difference. All right, let's fire it up again. Nice. Oil's flowing fine. Let's reconnect the fuel line and keep moving forward. Fuel line's back on. Let's try starting her up again. Boom, she's alive. Honestly, I couldn't wait any longer. Had to see if she'd move. Time for a quick test drive. Let's see what she's got. Haha, she moves. This old Dodge finally runs. Next up, cleaning. Inside and out, it's filthy. Transmission fluid, engine oil, coolant. Hasn't been changed in years. All of it's getting replaced. Just look at that trans fluid. Dark and thick. The filter, caked with sludge. Gotta clean it all out. With a van this old, some parts, like that filter, you can't even find anymore. No choice. Had to go old school. Time-consuming, hands-on cleaning. But it works. Next up, the transmission oil pan. Also packed with sludge. Definitely hasn't been touched in years. It all needs a deep clean and some care. That's how you bring an old machine back to life. Once the transmission fluid was changed, I moved on to the engine oil. Luckily, I had a spare oil filter. The old oil, nasty, clearly hadn't been changed in ages. Swapped it all out for fresh stuff. Done. Feels right. Next up, coolant. Flush that too. The old stuff used to be green? Probably. Coolant was rust-colored, flushed and replaced. Engine? Not too bad. Got it running pretty easily. The interior, though, filthy, dusty, smelly, untouched for years. Funny thing, the last owner added a little table. Clearly liked his comfort. He even had a tea table in here. Room for friends, maybe even a secretary. Guy knew how to chill. After hours of work, I finally got all the seats out. The inside, still filthy. I'm scrubbing every inch, one spot at a time. Started with the dash, and wow, it's still a mess. After all that work, it's really just the beginning. Next up, foam cleaner. Time to scrub every detail, clean, and protect it right. Because if you love it, you take care of it. Youth runs hot, but courage keeps it moving. They said I was too broke. I just smiled. A crow passed by. Silent witness to it all. After a full day of work, the interior's finally clean. Check it out. Looks pretty good, right? Seats, spotless. Steering wheel, shiny. Only thing missing now is the engine cover. But I'll keep hunting for parts, one step at a time. Interior's done. But fix one thing, another pops up. Next, the exterior. Years of dirt caked on, had to scrub every inch. Simple work, sure, but it took time. 2 full days, start to finish. Even got all the lights dialed in. Let's test it. See how she runs. Look at that. After days of non-stop work, this old van finally moves. She's alive. All right, that's it for today. We'll pick it back up tomorrow.